At Epic Landscaping, we're more than landscapers. We are outdoor specialists, transforming spaces into extraordinary environments that inspire, impress, and last. From intimate backyard retreats to massive commercial properties, we design, build, and maintain everything outdoors with unmatched precision and passion. As outdoor specialists, we offer a full suite of expert services: landscape design and installation, irrigation systems and water management, outdoor and holiday lighting, tree trimming and care, artificial turf and green walls, pergolas and outdoor structures, concrete, pavers, gutters, pest control and pressure cleaning, 3D digital design, custom projects and emergency response. Every project is unique, and our team of outdoor specialists treats it that way. We don't just install, we create, we elevate, we execute with excellence. With our 3D design, you'll see your vision before we even break ground, and we'll guide you from first idea to final flourish. Need a tailored solution, an urgent fix, a custom build? No problem. Our outdoor specialists are built for it. We're trusted by homeowners, developers, and property managers across South Florida because we do what others won't, and we do it epic. So if you're ready to unlock the full potential of your property and you want outdoor specialists who deliver beyond expectations, here we are, Epic Landscaping. We don't just do outdoors, we own outdoors. We transform outdoor spaces and exceed your expectations.